there. I think we can now move on to Counsel for Governor for cross-examination.
Thank you very much.
Good evening, Mr. Bett.
Good evening to you, Counsel.
Yes. Mr. Bett, I would like you to understand me. I will ask you my questions with the greatest respect. I do not mean to demean you or to disrespect you, so I hope you don't mind the questions I'll be asking you. Now, could we start with the last comment you made? You said that as a consequence of the opportunity you have been afforded here, you are feeling a process of healing already. You didn't hear my question, or you are opposed to answering the question?
No, I'm digesting what you are implying.
Do you want me to repeat?
Kindly.
Okay. So, my learned friend asked you whether, as a result of having come here and said you are beat, you have started a healing journey. And my recollection is that you said, yes, I have started healing.
Healing is a continuous process.
Yes.
So it is part of the healing process.
Which has started today?
No, it is part of the healing process.
Okay, it's part of the healing process.
Yeah.
And the healing process will be greatly helped by people believing what you've said here.
Not believing, okay, it could be believing,
yeah.
But basically pouring out what His Excellency,
okay.
Derogatory, the kind of remarks he made against me.
Okay. So
and not only me, and also to the people living with disability.
Thank you. I'll move on to a different issue. Am I right to summarize your complaints in this, in your testimony as being 3 issues? The first one is that you were constrained to send money by the governor. Is that one of your allegations, isn't it?
Constrained or forced?
Forced, yes.
Yes, the demand was there.
Yes, that's one. The second one is that you were asked to divert public money. Did you say that?
No.
No issue of diverting public money?
Yes.
Okay. So the second one then is a question of being belittled.
It is it's not only that belittling.
Yes.
It is a constitutional requirement that you should not call names.
Yes.
To the persons living with disability.
Yes.
That are leading to demeaning.
Yes.
Derogatory remarks and
yes.
also belittling them.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. And so one of your complaints is that you have been belittled. Now,
especially on the side of
yes.
Kumbe, you are mentally, and I've never been to any mental assessment whatsoever. Okay. The only assessment that I've appeared before is the physical assessment. So I don't know what the governor.
Okay, let me just ask you, then, I intended to come to that later on, but let me just ask you at this point. You said that the governor made those comments. You've very specifically quoted them at paragraph at paragraph 15 of your statement, where you say, I thought you have a problem, and so on and so forth.
No, he said, I thought you have the physical disability alone. Kumbe, you have mental disability as well.
Okay.
Which it's good to be recorded that I've never appeared before any mental assessment whatsoever.
I understand that. And it's just your word, isn't it? You have nothing to back up that you said that, do you? Huh? Other than your word?
It's not my word, it is the word. I'm just returning the same words to His Excellency. Yeah.
The proposition that the governor said it is what you are saying. It's not captured in a document or anything?
Yes.
Okay. Now, on all these allegations you've made about the governor, may I ask you, so you've, in paragraph 24 and 25, and in your testimony today, in paragraph 24, you said the rights under Article 54 have been violated. You remember saying that in your affidavit?
54 is It is Article 54.
Yes. I'm on a time
Section 1A.
Yes. I'm on a timely show. Just
And-
answer
and
my
also
question. No,
Section
which question are you
16,
answering now, Mr.
The
Bett?
same. And also
You've
Section
answered my
6.
question. I'm okay with the answer.
No, and 16, Section 16 of PWD Act 2025.
Okay, thank you. Actually, I wanted to ask you that. Now, is it something that you've just learned today, or you knew it even as far back as when you are resigning in the year June in 2025 when you are resigning?
Mhm.
Is it something you've just learned today, or something you always knew even when you're at work since 2022?
It is something that has been deep in me, and it has.
My question
I've been
is,
going through.
Mr. Bett, my
Yes.
question is, you've made specific reference to provisions of law which according to you were violated, isn't it? And my question is, when did that realization that some of your rights have been violated, is it a realization that has come today, yesterday, or it was there as way back as 2022 when you started experiencing these challenges?
For the Constitution of Kenya,
Please just answer my
no,
question.
for the Constitution of Kenya,
No,
I
you're
knew.
not answering.
I knew
Mr.
from
Speaker,
then.
Mr. Speaker, Madam, I am really struggling with time, and I wish the witness could just answer my question. Let me ask you my question again. It's okay.
Yes.
So you've said there are violations of Article 54, and you're right under Section 16 of the Disabilities Act, isn't it? And all I'm asking you is, when did you realize that those rights exist? Is it in 2022 when you're going through all this, or in 2025 when you resigned, or now as you come to testify?
Immediately when I was abused. But for
When
the
you're abused.
But for the act, it was
Just wait for the question.
It
Please,
was-
just wait for the question.
when it was approved in this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then, having made that realization, have you ever made any report to the police that your rights have been violated?
I've first the process that
Please
I went
answer
through-
my question. Have you made any report to the police?
No, but to the leadership
Okay.
of person with
Next
disability
question,
in Kericho County.
next question, Mr. Bett. Have you made any complaints? Who is your employer, the Kericho County government? Is it Public Service Board?
Yes.
Have you made any complaint to the Public Service Board?
No, because I was restrained by the person with
Listen to the
disability.
question. That's all. I'm
protect them.
satisfied.
Yeah.
You also say that at various points you are, I know you've retracted today in the course of your testimony that you are not compelled to take compulsory leave, but in your affidavit you said you are forced to take compulsory leave, but you say you are not forced.
I was forced.
You are forced to take compulsory
To sign.
leave. Then you said you are also forced to change your terms of employment, isn't it?
Yes.
And eventually you resigned, isn't it?
Yes.
Have you filed a civil suit to complain that your rights to employment have been violated?
I've not because
You have not.
Because the working environment was not favorable to me. So coming back to my former employer, I think it was good for me.
Who would you be filing a civil suit? Would you be filing a civil suit to the county, to the governor, or to the county, or to court?
I think that information
You don't know where you'd go.
Yeah.
You don't know. You don't know. You don't know where you'd file a civil suit?
Maybe it would be through the legal process. I
Yes.
don't want to answer. I don't
You
know
prefer
that.
not to answer that.
Yeah.
Now, you say you are compelled to go on leave, isn't it?
Yes.
Were you written a letter telling you to go on compulsory leave, or you initiated that request?
The CS. Okay, the CS called me
Let's
to his
talk about
office.
documents. Let's leave alone words. Is it you who wrote saying, I'm writing to request to go on leave, or a letter or memo was written to you saying, please, Mr. Bett, proceed on compulsory leave?
I was coerced by the former county secretary, verbally.
Through a memo,
I'm saying verbally.
verbally?
Yes.
And then in writing?
I filled the form
Yes.
to proceed on leave.
And that form entails the request that I'm requesting to go on leave, isn't it?
Yes.
So you requested, on document, you requested to go on leave.
But after
On the face of the document, just leave it like that. The face of the document for you going on leave says you are requesting to go on leave, isn't it?
yes, but coercion was there.
Okay. Now, the resignation in June 2025, who wrote the letter of resignation?
I did. After coercion as well.
Okay. And did you bring that letter to, you have not annexed it to your case, isn't it?
It was there, but I have it in soft copy, and I can.
That's not what I'm asking. I'm asking, in the affidavit you've brought to these honorable senators, you've not annexed a copy of that letter of resignation.
It was there.
You've not annexed anyway. Okay.
No, it was there.
Okay.
It was there. I
Okay.
forwarded it to.
You will ask
compiling.
you'll ask my colleagues. They didn't put it there. But in that letter, you've given the reason why you are resigning, isn't it?
I didn't mention the reason. I said just I'm resigning.
You said you are resigning.
Yeah.
So somebody looking at the documents will see on the face of it that Mr. Bett has chosen to resign, isn't it?
But there are proof and witness who coerced me.
Is that in writing?
No, the FAPO.
That's not in writing. Okay. Now, you also say at paragraph 13 to 14, there were advertisements for filling up certain positions of revenue management information system. That's part of your case, isn't it?
Not filling, procuring.
Procuring.
Yeah.
Okay. And you said you expressed reservations. You said at paragraph 14 up to 15, you expressed reservations and there were consequences on you, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Did you put those reservations in writing, Mr. Bett?
No, I did.
You did not. Okay. And the advert inviting people procuring the revenue management information system, is it signed off by the governor? Is it him who has said, I, governor, am advertising for, I'm procuring revenue management information system?
I was kept in darkness. It happened during the time when I was in.
So did you see the advert? Did you see the procurement?
I saw the advert on the paper.
Did you see the name of governor in that procurement?
Normally for adverts, it's the procurement.
It's procurement department?
Yeah.
So governor's name does not appear there, does it?
But
Just answer the question. The document inviting procurement, is governor's name there?
all county staff are under governor.
Please answer my question.
Yes.
You saw the document, you said that, isn't it?
Yes.
Is governor's name anywhere in it?
No.
It's not there. Okay. You also say at the time of your resignation, there were multiple times when a gentleman by the name Kipyegon came to you.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Yeah.
Was it Kipyegon?
Kibyegon Kirui.
Kipyegon Kirui. And
the
how
former
are you connecting
county
that to
secretary.
the, how are you connecting that to the governor?
By then he was the he was the acting county secretary,
Yes.
and he told me that that was the directive from His Excellency.
So your testimony is that he told you that the governor had sent him?
Yes, but at some instance we had to meet the three of us.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he called me. We met governor, Kibyegon Kirui, and the governor's economic advisor.
Now, when you are changing your contract from 5 years to 3 years, the explanation that was given to you was it is related to the contract performance appraisals, isn't it?
Yes.
It is what you have said in your affidavit?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any document in this Senate today to show that you are performing so well that you are eligible for extension of the term or renewal of the contract?
No assessment was conducted to all CEOs, not only me.
Okay. Yeah, that's the second question. So first of all, you don't have any appraisal distinguishing you in any way, isn't it?
I was not taken through, I was not assessed.
Okay. Now, the change of the terms was not isolated to you. It was, you were not isolated. It's not like you are targeted. It involved many other CEOs, isn't it?
Not many, 3.
3.
Yeah.
And who was, you signed that contract with who?
I signed the contract with the, is it the people signed or witnessed by? All the CEOs and CECs signed the contract.
With who? It is a contract, so it's 2 parties.
Yeah.
So like you signed with who?
I signed with the
Public Service Board?
No.
Yeah.
The CC signed with the governor, and then I signed with the CC.
Okay, so you didn't sign with the governor. If you are CC, you'd have signed with the governor, isn't it?
That is the practice which was there.
Okay. So even as you rope in the governor in this, number one, it involved many people, and number two, you did not, it's not like governor was sitting with you and saying, let's redo the contract, did he?
Finally, he told me, I'm not interested in working with you.
And that's your word of mouth, isn't it?
In the presence, their witness.
Have you called those witnesses?
It was in the presence of the governor's economic advisor and Kirui Kibiegon.
Mr. Bett, thank you so much for answering my questions. I hope I wasn't unfair to you, was I?
You are biased in a way.
I was biased.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you so much for answering my questions. That's all, Madam Speaker.
Not to me, to persons with disability, because these are derogatory statements which really touches on humanity and also the dignity and respect for persons with disability.
Okay.
I'm sorry for the kind of taking me through that, and it's okay.
I want to apologize. What particularly did I say that has offended you, Mr. Bett? I want to apologize for it. What have I said that has offended you?
It's just
the way I've asked you questions.
The humanity aspect of it.
The way I've asked questions.
No, maybe it is in line of your duties, but
yes.
I feel...
Yes, I would like you to understand me in that sense. It was in line of duty, but I want to apologize if you feel offended. I didn't intend to offend you. So.